I'm just living my best life. That's good stuff. Oh, hello there. You guys are probably wondering at this point why I'm sitting here living my best life on a big gigantic duck in the middle of a hot tub. Well, boy, do I have one for you guys. You're not going to want to miss this. Stay tuned. Yeah, my neighbors probably think I'm crazy. You're probably also wondering why we have the Civic sitting right behind the hot tub. You're going to want to stay tuned. Grab a drink, sit down, relax. I know I am. Might as well have another. Beautiful day for a tan. The crickets are chirping. Life don't get any better than this. I got it pretty easy, I must say. All right, on with the show. As long as I don't fall out of this sumbitch first. And just so you guys know, this is just actually orangeade. It's not wine or anything alcoholic. As you can tell, yes, there's water in it. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys kind of enjoy that little bit of an intro. I decided, hey, why not have a little fun? We're gonna do some crazy things around here lately. As you guys do know, we are having a lot of fun with the channel. We've come a long way. We've been doing it for about a little over a year and a half now, and I absolutely love where we're at. I love where we're going. But if you guys don't know who I am Senate Steve. This is the Bruce Project, which is, if you don't know, it's an 05 GMC drivetrain, obviously sitting on 44-inch Super Swamper boggers. I absolutely love this thing, and, you know, I might sell it. I don't know. Who knows? If I get the right offer, I'll let it go, but I definitely will not take less than $5,200. But I do enjoy this thing. This thing is freaking fun. It's killer, and it's here to stay, you know, until I get the right offer. So why not have some fun with it? As you do know, Codes does want this hot tub kind of removed. They didn't really say anything about it. It's allowed to be there, but it's old, it's dilapidated, and I want it out of the way. So what better way? I called up, tried to get a couple places that will, you know, remove a hot tub, and they want to charge like big money. So one of the ways that I can get rid of it is by chopping it up. So obviously we're not chopping it up here right now, but we are going to go ahead and break it up. You guys are probably wondering, like, hey, why don't you give it to somebody, or, you know, fix it, use it, why destroy it? But it's not really worth anything. As you can tell, like, the paint's all gone. The engine or the motor for it is definitely shot. I definitely just threw this in the trailer. As you can tell, we are starting to clean everything up. So we got a pile of scrap here in the trailer. We got a pile in the truck. That's all going to be aluminum radiators and things like that. This is all going to be steel, you know, the engines I have laying around here. We did have a gigantic pile over here, as you guys did see in the last video, but we're getting it all cleaned up, guys, and now's the time to do it. So why not get rid of this hot tub? There was a bunch of trash in this trailer too. We took that first load down. I just bite the bullet, got rid of it, and now we're going to break the hot tub up, and it's going to go in the trailer. So let's roll some footage from today, and then we'll get back to kind of like an outro. I'm starting to look for outros, intros. I don't really know what to do. You guys know I'm freaking crazy, and I do all kinds of off-the-wall things, but I'm going to start to try to do an intro and an outro, and this is probably going to be part of one of the two. So let's jump in the Bruce here, and we're going to start destroying the hot tub. Well, as you can tell, we're in a little bit different location here, but of course I gotta finish off my orangeade. Oh boy. Let me know when this is over if you guys like this type of stuff, because I actually had fun doing it, not gonna lie. And the fact that the only thing I have to redo is hang the bumper, I'm okay with it. The Bruce is a beast. All right, while we're here, I might as well roll an ad for senditstevemerch.com. That's right, senditstevemerch.com. I don't have any merch on me right now, but go check out the website. We got flags. We got a bunch of cool stuff on the site. Senditstevemerch.com. Head on over, buy yourself a shirt, hoodie. It's getting chilly out. Definitely hoodies are intact. And, you know, we'll be able to keep doing cool stuff like this. Don't mind the Corvette. That's going to be an upcoming video. I know you guys have already seen a couple videos on it, but that's going to be an upcoming video. You guys are going to like version 3.0, I can promise you. And I also want to say the duck was not harmed in the making of this video. That's right. I don't know his name, but he was not harmed. Let's name the duck, guys. All right, roll the footage. Oh boy. So I don't know how we're really gonna do this. I mean, I'm obviously in the Civic, and I'm using my iPhone to kind of record in-house, I guess, or in-car. But I think we're just gonna go for it, guys. I mean, what could really go wrong? Oh my God. Oh my God. I think we're just pushing it and slinging mud. I don't know where the mud is coming from, but I'm pretty certain it's empty at this point. Oh, we're on it still. Oh, we're still on it. Oh, we're definitely still on it. Oh my gosh. How do I flip this around? I don't know how to flip it around. Stand by. Oh my gosh. That's half of the hot tub. I guess we can turn this off and jump out. There's water everywhere. Oh my gosh. The water came the whole way back here. Oh, Bruce got mangled. Oh boy, Bruce got mangled. I absolutely love this thing. As you can tell, I believe this is going to be enough pieces for me to go ahead and scrap the hot tub now at this point. But man, that was freaking fun, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Well, time for a little cleanup, and then we'll come back and finish talking. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, guys. Well, we now have it in plenty of pieces that we can, after we take this load of scrap, toss it in the trailer and be able to get out of here. I mean, the driveway is full of water. I didn't realize that thing retained that much water. I guess, I mean, I should have known, but I mean, it even came down here and flooded out my porch. Good thing I have this. You can see it under the porch. Good thing I built this little deck. Oh my gosh. What a blast, guys. I absolutely love the Civic. And you know what? I think I'm going to retract everything. I think we're going to keep it. I think he is going to be here to stay and stay for good. It is just too much fun of a vehicle. But there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I can promise you guys, I have one big thing. This was nothing. I have one huge thing planned, and you guys are not going to want to miss it. It does entail the Bruce again. It also entails something else that I have on the property, not the Corvette. But we're going to have a lot of fun with it. The Bruce is going to be involved, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So there, again, guys, if you like the content, please smash that like button. Please subscribe. And I got to roll that footage again. Take care, guys. See you in the next one.